Welcome everyone. This is lecture number 9. In this lecture, we will play with more properties of CSS. Create a new file, text and icon.html. Click here and select horizontal split. Click here to focus this pen and then open the style.css. Okay. Text align property is used to set the text horizontally left, right or center. Text align center. So look at the result. Text aligned left over text aligned right. Center. Transform property is used to apply lowercase or uppercase letters on text. Text transform uppercase, or we can also lowercase uppercase. Capitalized value refers to the first letter of the word will be capital. Okay, if I change capitalize. Letter spacing create the space between characters. Letter spacing property 4 pixel space between the letters, same as word spacing property. Word spacing 5 pixel. If I increase with 10 pixel, so look at the result. How to add shadow? This is very interesting. First value of the shadow is for horizontal shadow and second for vertically. So let's implement it. Text shadow, first value is for horizontal, so 1 pixel, and second value for vertically shadow is 5 pixel and color light green. Look at here. If I increase with 10 pixel and 5 pixel, 50 pixel, just for your understanding, 10 pixel. So look at here. Font family property set the font family where done times New Roman times serif. If the first one is not available in machine, then browser tries second one and so on. Font size property defines the size of the font. Font size 60 pixel. Save it. Font weight property defines the thickness of the font. Font weight 100, 500, 1000. So look at here. Font style property, font style italic. How to add icons? Open this website fontavesum.com and click here, get started. Copy the link. This link is also given in the video description. Save it. Now use inline element like span or I tag. Add class in it. Fafa. Save. So refresh the page. Look at here. So if I H2, so look at here. Add another one. I class Fafa. Save. Our bars. So look at here. Refresh the page. You can also find the list of icons from this website. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please subscribe our channel. See you next lecture. Have a nice day.